Hello my guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you another recipe, that is spicy side dish, which is made by the dried shrimp. This is one of my favorite dish. It's give very level feel. Let's see how to make spicy side dish. First you have to take dried shrimp and turn on the gas, take a pan and put dried shrimp and fry it 3 to 5 minutes. Once you finish frying, turn off the gas. Here I am making a masala. First you have to take a garlic and chili. This is bird eye chili, too spicy. Crush it. Look at this, how spicy it is. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Squeeze half piece of lemon juice. Mix it well. Fresh dried shrimp. Add grinded masala and mix it well. Now our dried spicy shrimp side dish is ready. This side dish gives you very level feeling during the rainy season. Must try this recipe. I hope you all enjoyed and like this recipe. Now I am going to enjoy my meals with this spicy side dish, and you also enjoy your meals with this spicy side dish. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, my dear loves.